Have you ever wondered if your browser could help power the future of AI? And what if participating in that network could earn you rewards along the way? If you're curious, scan the QR code on screen and let's take a look at Teneo Protocol. Teneo Protocol is a Web3 project focused on AI, DePIN, and decentralized data infrastructure. Its goal is to make public data more accessible, while allowing users to contribute to a decentralized network. The project has gained attention because AI systems need large amounts of data, and Teneo is building a community-powered alternative to traditional data providers. Let's keep it simple. AI needs data to learn and operate. Today, much of that data is controlled by large companies or expensive services. Teneo wants to make public data more open and useful through a decentralized network. Instead of relying on one organization, users around the world help support the system. So how does it work? Users install the Teneo community node through a browser extension. The node helps support the network and contributes to data processing activities. In return, users can earn Teneo points and participate in community reward programs. According to the project, the network helps transform public information into structured data that can be useful for AI, applications, and developers. Now let's talk about credibility. Teneo announced a $3 million seed funding round. The round included investors such as RockawayX, Borderless Capital, Generative Ventures, Moonrock Capital, Certic Ventures, and Outlier Ventures. The project has also reported strong community growth through its community node program. Of course, funding and growth do not guarantee future success. They are simply factors to consider when evaluating a project. For beginners, there are a few potential benefits. Getting started is relatively simple. The browser extension is easy to install. Users can learn about AI, DePIN, and Web3 while participating in a real ecosystem. It can also be a practical way to explore decentralized infrastructure. Of course, there are risks. The project is still evolving. Reward systems may change. Future token plans are not guaranteed. Market conditions and adoption levels may affect future growth. As always, do your own research before spending time or money on any crypto project. Let's recap. First, Teneo is building a decentralized data network for AI. Second, users can participate through the community node and earn ecosystem rewards. Third, the project has secured funding from several Web3-focused investors. If you'd like to learn more, scan the QR code on screen and explore the official resources for yourself. And if you enjoy beginner-friendly Web3, AI, and crypto content, consider subscribing to Web3 ByteSize for future updates.
Thanks for watching Web3 ByteSize. Like and subscribe for more AI and crypto updates.